Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about how taking a deload week can boost your habits and prevent burnout. Sometimes, the best way to stay consistent is to take a short break, just like athletes do. They call it a deload. You can do the same. 1. What's a deload? When you're pushing hard, at the gym, at work, or in daily routines, you'll eventually feel drained. A deload is a short, planned pause or slowdown to reset. Athletes take one every few weeks or when they feel off. It's not quitting, it's smart recovery. 2. Why it works. Deloads help you recharge physically and mentally, avoid burnout or plateaus, and get ready for your next push. Top performers build breaks in on purpose. So can you. 3. Fatigue isn't a flaw. Productivity culture sees tiredness as weakness. Sports treat it as normal. Managing fatigue is part of growth, not failure. 4. What needs a break? Any routine, cooking, errands, studying, even hobbies, can wear you out. A 1-week deload helps reset. Scale back, don't stop. Examples. Use easy meals instead of cooking, skip errands or online shop, and swap intense practice for lighter sessions. 5. It's not just rest, it's room. Deloads free up time to try other things. Maybe read, walk, do yoga, or finally open that birding book. Let the space guide you. 6. Plan your deload. Ask yourself, will you schedule it or go by feel? How long will it be? What light activity will you do? What will you skip? How will you restart your routine after? Grinding non-stop isn't sustainable. A smart break helps you stay on track, bounce back, and actually keep going. When you feel stuck, take a deload. It works. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting, Sunbro.